Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Nashville local, and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move refers to when you transfer your stuff across a distance of more than 50 miles. It is possible to migrate interstate, which is defined as a move that crosses state boundaries. An intrastate move, on the other hand, takes place inside the confines of a particular state. 3 Movers is a certified moving company that can handle both interstate and intrastate removals. Our drivers have the necessary permissions to transfer your items over vast distances without a problem. They are quick, but they are very cautious and adhere to all traffic laws and regulations. We help you ensure that your belongings arrive at their new location in excellent condition and on schedule. In addition, we have good insurance to protect us from risk responsibility. Even though local removals are less costly than long-distance movers, we provide the most competitive prices. We charge our customers in the range of $30 to $40 per hour. Our affordable cost does not reduce the quality of our services, and past clients in Nashville can testify to this. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Nashville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.